And there was, you know, they absorbed that.
Yeah, it was a massive inspiration to me as a writer growing up as well, you know.
Yeah, all the musicals and all that, yeah.
The musicals, Guys and Dolls and Mikado and the whole lot of them. And
if you take it there, it was great, like it absorbed the sound and you had the feedback and you had it was great for
a young person as well, like nowadays you have technology and you have phones.
I know.
It's very hard to get people out and do things physically, you know, so the town hall might just help catch people back from the technological abyss.
Well, the best of luck with Jan.
Thanks very much, appreciate that.
Thank you. Oh, that's good, yeah. There you go.
Turn around then.
Oh, the holy water, yes?
Instant holy water.
And what do you do here?
I didn't know I was going to be on camera.
Well, I know, but you are.
You're on it now.
You're on it now, yeah.
It's an instant hot water tap. You can see there.
Oh, yeah.
You turn it on, you give it 5 seconds. There's an element in the tap here.
Oh, I know what you mean, yes. I know, you've been stunned, yeah.
Yeah, an element in the tap that you plug it in.
What kind of power would you want to keep the heat in that?
It's a 3 kilowatt.
3 kilowatt, yeah.
So, when you turn on the tap, it's at its hottest here.
Yes.
When you increase the pressure, you increase the temperature. Like it's similar to a shower.
Yeah, I know what you mean, yes. What would the cost to run it?
It costs about $1 a minute to run.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 1 cent per minute, yeah.
1 cent a minute. It works out, it's a 3 kilowatt tap.
Yeah.
So if you worked your electricity at a high rate of 20 cents a kilowatt hour, which would be the highest, like a kilowatt hour should be about 14.7 plus the VAT. So call it
I know what you mean, yeah.
20 cents a kilowatt hour. So 320 is 60 cents an hour.
Yes.
Works out a cent a minute. When you turn it to cold, there's no power being used now.
Yes.
When you turn it to cold,
yes, it's cold.
Just cold, and there's nothing being used. When you turn it'll engage the power here.
Yeah.
You turn it off then. When you turn it cold now, there's a little miniature tank here.
Yes.
So there's hot water in the tank still till you run it out.
Yes.
But it's not like a dead leg of water coming back from your immersion, you know?
Yeah. And so that's connected to the cold.
Connected to your cold.
Yeah.
You know?
So you have, instead of switching on the tap where you have to clear the pipes to get hot water, you have
absolutely. You could be wasting like
I know
5, 10, 15 litres of water. It all depends.
Yeah.
Like your kitchen sink is probably the furthest away from where the first point in the house. You know what I mean?
Yeah. What kind of money are we talking about?
You're talking about they're 160 online.
160, yeah.
It's
plus fittings at that.
Plus fittings, but a plumber should fit it for about. Should be fitted for around the €50 mark, but you can fit them yourself.
I mean,
it's a half-inch fitting.
Yeah, but you get
It's a half-inch fitting.
Yeah.
And then you just plug it in. So you fill it with a clip
and you have to, no.
If I see this here.
But you have to get a proper connection because it comes with.
You see it here.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Oh, that's all. That's all.
Comes with it, and there's a breaker unit.
Oh, there's a spray, but safety advice. Yeah.
So safety on it, like you know what I mean.
Yeah. Great idea.
You know what I mean. So. Like if you have to hide the cable in,
can you walk the shower off in the day?
Yeah, we don't actually do one. We actually have a unit for a shower, but not up the taps. Unless you're doing it for
okay, so it's
no problem at all.
Right. Hello. What do you do here?
Motivation, we management.
Pardon? Do I need motivation? I do.
Yeah. Motivation, we management.
Yeah. And where are you based?
We're based in Castlebar, Westport, Sligo,
and and what's this?
It's £5 of fat.
Pardon?
£5 of fat.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Hold it. £5
Is that how I lose it?
Where are you?
Yeah. I'm going to give it a show. Okay. Okay, right? Oh, no. Hello. Who makes the jewellery here?
I do.
What's your name?
Joanna Cronin.
And where are you from?
We're from Ballinrobe originally, but we're living in Ormore and Galway.
Yeah, so you changed counties.
Yes.
Just
about.
And how long are you at making this stuff?
We're in our 3rd year now, so it's going very well.
Oh, you're beautiful stuff now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Oh, I know. All right. All right, yeah. Pops. Very nice. How long are you making these?
About 6 months or so.
Yeah. And where are you based?
Roscommon.
Roscommon.
Yeah, in the crockery.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Not too bad, yeah.
Lovely stuff. Good at medicine.
Everything you're seeing here today, it's like we're using Kiwi's butter, we're using farm eggs. Yep. You know, it's all natural produce, and again, that's the big thing about
What made you explain it? How John?
Oh, right.
How you get that?
Let's get smaller.
Annie, you tried one.
Are you doing that all right?
You tried one.
No. That's good, man. What do you do here?
We're a business room.
Yeah.
What we do is we meet weekly.
Yes.
And we have all different businesses.
Yeah. And where do you meet?
In Kilmorris.
Yeah.
The GA complex in
Pardon?
Kilmorris. GA complex in
Yeah.
Kilmorris.
Yeah.
On Tuesday mornings.
Oh, very nice. 7 o'clock.
No, 9:30.
Because you're awful late, right? Yeah. Most of them meet at 7.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, man. How's it going?
It's going well. Going very well. Yeah.
And what kind of companies have you?
We've got everything from landscapers, architects, motor assessors, plumbers,
Yeah.
electricians,
Yeah. So you
physical
get,
therapists,
Yes.
accountants,
Yeah.
IT specialists,
I know, yeah.
bar restaurant owner,
Yeah.
everything really.
Okay.
Garages, the whole
Right, thank you.
15, and you can always leave them in for a few minutes. You should always take them out a little bit underdone and leave them on a cooling tray because they cook while they're cooling down.
Oh, right. Hello. Oh, right. Is this where you get back?
This is the man, no.
Yeah.
Make sure you get him.
Oh, very, very,
Get me.
very important. Yes.
This is the man
I know
that's
it's terrible, isn't it?
From Roundfall.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah, you want to get that? You want to get all of them in that?
Who
group?
owns the water?
This man.
Well, there's a few of us.
But look,
Would you tell me about it? Where do you get your water? Where do you get the water? Where do you get your water?
Well,
how's it work?
this just shows you how to get good quality alkaline water from your own tap water.
Yeah, you have to get rid of the lime.
That's well, not just that, but it improves the overall quality of the drinking water.
Yeah.
It's a machine that can be hooked up to any kitchen tap or
Yeah.
any home. There are 5 different types of water the machine produces. It produces strong acidic water, beauty water, clean water, and 3 different types of drinking water.
Yeah. What are the 3 types of drinking water?
The 3 types of drinking water have a pH of 8.5, 9, and 9.5.
Yes.
Which will help the body to balance the pH level
Yeah, I know what you mean, yeah.
of the blood in the body, you know.
Yeah. And where are you based?
Well, I'm based in Tuam myself, and there are some lads here with me from Westport and from other areas, you know.
Yeah. So you buy you fit the unit or do you buy it? How does it look?
Well, no. Once the unit is purchased, we'll say by the householder, we can arrange
You
to have
fit.
it fitted.
Yeah, you can fit it in. Yeah.